I don't think justice is just having the laws applied in a non-discriminatory manner. I think that true justice will mean we have to eradicate the effects of past discrimination. We have to address poverty, particularly intergenerational poverty, and we have to address the effects of institutional racism if we're ever to achieve true justice in this country. I'm not sure what does inspire sort of an interest in justice, but a lot of it had to do with growing up in the 60s with the civil rights movement, the women's movement, the anti-war movement. I think that helped, and my father set a good example, too. He always made it very clear that he thought people should all be treated fairly and equally. It's incredibly intimidating. It's a complicated system without an attorney to help you navigate the legal process. It's unlikely that you'll be able to assert your rights because you don't know your rights. In many cases, a little legal advice can help you avoid problems and prevent saying or doing something that might not be in your best interest. So a lawyer can help access the justice system in a way that the client's voice is heard. A lot of clients over the years have touched me, and one that made one of the biggest impressions was probably because it was very early in my career too, was the named plaintiff in the first class action I filed. He was an older African-American man in his late 50s who had done physical labor most of his life and had been on disability benefits for several years as a result of heart problems and other things, when he was cut off very arbitrarily. So he became the named plaintiff in our Social Security medical improvement class action. He had recently developed cancer, and during the course of the litigation, he died, which illustrated the problem with, of course, the terminations that were going on for people on disability benefits at the time. So that was pretty distressing, but the class, when it was finally certified, was 12,000 people, and so I think he would have been very proud of the part he played in helping other people. Three words to describe Illinois Legal Aid Online: innovative, accessible, and informative.